Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you through the procedures of creating a YouTube link. YouTube links are created prior to the event, that is 2 or 3 or 5 months or weeks or days before the event actually happens. Once this link is created, it can be shared to the target customers, to the clients, to the people who are actually interested in the event. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create that and share it to your friends, workmates, colleagues, and anyone that is interested in that function. So first things first, let us go ahead and open our YouTube. So our account is open. All you have to do is come here, click on this create button, go to live. Click on go live, and once we click on go live, so this interface pops up, and if you can notice right here on our left top corner, we have the 3 options: stream, we have webcam, and lastly we have manage. So we shall go ahead and click in manage. When you click in manage, this is where you schedule your stream. So what you are going to do is come here and click on schedule stream, then click on create new. Then in here, this is where you write all the information about the event. Mine could be let me just put live stream, then say, let me see, then type in top notch media, then I'll copy this and then maybe I'll paste it down here. But in your case, you could write each and everything that you need, each and everything that you want people to know about your event or function. So once we are done with the title and description, let us scroll down here. How do you want to go live? Definitely we are using a software. We shall use OBS Studio. In case you want to use your phone or webcam, you will select those options. Then category, what is your video about? What is your live stream about? In my case, it's about education. Scroll down. This is where you upload a thumbnail. If you already have a designed thumbnail, this is where you click and upload it. Then we shall scroll down. Playlists. If you have playlists already, you come here and select a playlist in which your video will be added. And in my case, I'll just click on my works. Then scroll down. Is it made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. Then show more. Let me see, tags. You would want to add tags if your live stream is about maybe OBS. I'll just put OBS, click enter. I'll put tutorial, hit enter. So these tags enable YouTube users to easily find your video. In case someone types tutorial or OBS in the search bar, then your video could pop up. You never know. Then I think that's it. That's all that we need here. Then we click on next, or we go to customization. Do you want live chat? Yes. Do you want live chat replay? Yes, you do. In case you don't, just leave it the way it is. Who can participate? Anyone can participate. If you want only subscribers participate, select that. And for how long? A minimum subscriber time, But in my case, and I would prefer, or I would advise everyone to keep this to keep this mode to everyone. Then from there, we don't need all the rest. We go to visibility. So here in visibility, we have 3 options. We have private, unlisted, and public. I'm sure by the time you do this, then you want it to be public to everyone. Or maybe if you want it to be public to only a specific group of people, that is where we click on unlisted. When you click on unlisted, it means the people you share the link with are the only people who will attend this live stream or this meeting or whatever that you'll be broadcasting. When you click on public, this means that everyone that is using YouTube will definitely see your video when you go live on that day and time. So it depends on your preferences, but in my case, I'm doing it public. Then down here, scheduling the time and date. Today is 7th of October 2024. I could schedule this video to run maybe a week from now or 2 weeks from now. So I'll just click on 21st of this very month, and then I can set the time as well, which is maybe 7 p.m. and then I'll click on done. When I click on done, a YouTube link will be created. And here we are. This is the YouTube link. If I come here and click on share, this is the link right here. I can copy it and paste it anywhere that I want. I can send it to everyone that I want. And when that person receives that link, let me just paste it here in my browser. When somebody receives that link and they click into it, this is what they will see. Down here they'll see that this video will be live in 14 days, and they will give us the date, which is 21st of October at 7 p.m. This is when this live stream will be active. So that is how we create a YouTube link. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing, and the comments, I really appreciate you so much. Catch you in the next video.